Strong electrostatic forces.
No. Okay. Don't get mixed up. I didn't ask why are ions held together in a giant ionic lattice.
Oh, they attract because it's a minus and a positive.
Yeah, because the opposite. So make sure you read the question properly. That's very crucial.
Yeah.
You see how they want to trick you?
Yeah.
All you have to say, because oppositely charges.
Yeah, I thought about that, and then I was like, nah, it's probably the other thing.
No, it's only 1 mark, isn't it? This is the free mark. This is what you want over here.
Okay.
Look, explain why the ions in the lattice stay in place. We're going to talk about that, aren't we? So because oppositely charged ions
attract.
Awesome. That's 1 mark.
Okay.
Next question.
Fluorine is an element which plays in group 7 of the periodic table, the halogens. Halogens. Oh, I think we already done this one, but I'm not sure.
Keep going.
Name another element in group 7. Fluorine.
Fluorine, awesome. Yeah, we have. No, there was a similar one like this where there was a table and you had to. Yeah, there was a similar one like this.
Oh, yeah. Oh, well done. Because I thought it was, well done.
Yeah.
So it's -6, yeah? I hope I didn't put 66. Because it doesn't even show you. Because look, if you put an extra 6, it doesn't show you. So it'd go down as -66. And then we'll be wondering for 30 minutes why we're wrong. Alright, so, is that understood? One more?
No, I just have one question. You see how for the first one you put 6 and 0 for the coordinates?
Yeah.
So we got 6 here.
Well, where's 0 coming from?
Yeah, where's that coming from?
But because remember, we made y equals 0. So that's the coordinate. We got the x bit, and we made y equals 0. So then we just plugged it in to find x. Do you understand?
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay. Now, and then this bit, we made x equals 0. So
then we got 0,
times,
0, yeah.
Do you get what I'm saying? So when x was 0, y was 0. So basically what you're saying, when y is 0, x is 6. When x is 0, y is 0.
Yeah.
And then the graph will look like that. Is that understood?
Yeah.
So let's start with so let's start by reading the question. So this is 3 marks. A huge question on the maths paper. I believe that's 3% of your exam. And most students again will think, oh, this is a calculator question. Let me grab my calculator and do this. But no, let's read the question. It's the cost of a radio is the list price plus VAT at 17.5%. The list price of the radio is £240. So £240 plus 17.5% of this will give you the price of the radio, right? But how do we work out 17.5% of this without using a calculator? Again, very simple. As a general guide, I like to rewrite the question as a simpler, to make it simple for myself. So that's 17.5% of 240. Well, let's start. Let's do this together. We know 10%. We know 10% of 240 is 24 because it's just divided by 10, right? We know 5% is just half this because the difference between 10% and 5% is half, so that'll be 12. And 2.5% is just half this because what's half of 5? It's 2.5%, so we just have to half this. Now if we add this together, so what's 24 plus 12? That's 36. And then add 6, that's 42. So that's £42. And now, let's not forget, because students usually forget to do this, we have to add that £42 under 240. So 240 plus 42. That equals £282. That's the final answer.